Peace and great morning to you guys. This is RideShare coming to you again with the little ride and share. Today I don't have a message for you per se, but just wanted to show you guys the roads during the tropical storm that we're currently having. Now this is one of the back roads. I'm currently in North Carolina, and this is one of the back roads. And this is what we have going on right now. It is raining and the wind is picking up some, pretty good. It does have some rain accumulation, water accumulation down on the side of the roads and the covers. I haven't seen any down trees, but I do see like bunches of branches and some leaves as you see blowing in the street. So the wind is blowing hard enough to blow down small branches, nothing too big that we can't, run right over or just go around, but there is accumulation of the leaves as you see. So it is about 7:30 in the morning right now, so I'm not sure if it's going to get a little worse or what the case may be, but this is what we have right now. And I know most of the rain, most of the water that's hitting my windshield is coming off this truck that's in front of me. And I will be able to assess the actual downfall of the rain in a few moments when I make this turn to see the difference between the actual rain versus what's coming off the truck. And as you see the difference in what it looks like, what was coming off the truck versus what's actually coming down out the sky. And there is a little difference, but without that mist from the truck. But this is what it looks like, and I haven't witnessed any down the back roads, any down trees or anything. And I know we're just in the beginning. It's early in the morning, and the rain is expected to continue throughout the entire day today. So but this is what we have here. Yeah. And it is coming down pretty good right now. And as you see, it is some branches that's down. A couple, not much, not anything too big. Just little small branches. Willing, once I get off this job, I don't know. I may decide to leave early. I'm not sure what's going to happen once I get to the job, but we will see. I am on my way to work. My husband think I am totally nuts. But yesterday, I had to take off yesterday because I had to get my son back to training. He came home for a couple days, and he had to go back to trade and finish up trade. Because he's winding down the time, but he had to get back, and he couldn't drive himself back because they don't allow cars on the premises that, you know, but I get it. The rules are the rules. And he couldn't drive himself, so I had to take him to trade. The other day when I came down this street, it was an accident, mind you. It wasn't even raining that day, so everyone was all right during the accident. I just seen everyone was all right. I just seen you know, they were sitting on the side of the road, but they were off in one of these. The car was off in these bushes here. Fire department was here, but just willing today, everyone slows down and takes it easy, you know, because it is wet and this water is starting to accumulate. As you see on the side of the road, it's starting to accumulate a little bit, and this is just the beginning of it. So, you know, this afternoon, when, you know, coming back home, I may decide to go a different route. If, you know, if I see, I just have to assess it and see what's going on. But I may end up taking a different route home if it's really bad, you know. Oh my gosh, my brakes don't sound too good. I have to get my husband to look at those, see what's going on with them. Down another side road. So the roads are pretty clear. You know, we just have the it's just raining out right now, and we don't have it is windy. As you see, the trees are blowing. It is windy, but it's not really windy. It's not a bad wind where it's, you know, blowing down trees and stuff like that. So I haven't taken a look at the weather to see exactly what we have going on as far as where the storm is at this moment. I just kind of got out here, and I know I had to be to work this morning, so I got out here and just drove, you know. But it's definitely raining pretty good out here. Pretty good, if I say so myself. I don't expect many patients to come in today, but like I said, I wasn't there yesterday, so I'm not sure what the schedule is looking like today. But we'll see. Once I get there, we'll see. Yeah, and as you see, that water starting to accumulate on that side of that road, as you see. Normally when I come down this road, it's not many cars that are home. But I see it, there are. Yes, many people decided to stay home. I just didn't want to do that. But if the schedule is looking pretty clear, I may end up leaving early today. it equals a very good day when the schedule was clear. It allows me to get some things done, some clerical things done. But we'll see how everything is going and what's going on. Oh my goodness. I try to avoid the water, but sometimes there was some grit on my brakes or something, because this time when I stopped it was fine, so I guess the water washed away the grit. I'm guessing so, but it was just fine. I'm still gonna have a look at it. Either the husband or the oldest son or somebody to look at my brakes. See the water accumulating on the side of the roads and the culverts. Yeah, coverts or whatever they're called. Yeah, there's a little stream going on there. So, which is not, it's not bad at all. But like I said, this is just the beginning. And we'll see. Ooh, there's a down tree. Oh boy. Well, there's one. Guess I spoke too soon. On these little back roads, there are some down. Well, I see one down tree so far. So far, so far. And I've been driving for about maybe 35 minutes. And it, I only ran into one down tree so far. I don't know if I'm going to come down this back road going home, because I don't want to get caught. I remember before it was it was just high winds that time, and it was raining and it was high winds, and trees were down left and right and left. So it took me, when it normally takes me about 50 minutes to get home, it took me about an hour and some change, because I had to keep rerouting. And it was just, it was a mess that day. And I told myself, oh, there's accumulation of water. Yep, okay. And I told myself, I said, self, next time it's bad weather, you're not going out the house. And I guess I'm just a glutton for punishment. Or, when you work in the medical field, yeah, it's starting to come down a little more. When you work in the medical field, you have to be there for the patients, regardless of what's going on. Rain, sleet, snow, you have to be there. So, and although I am in the process, as I told you guys before, I'm in the process of changing my career, I still took this route to be there regardless. Yeah, it must have been some grit on my brakes because my brakes were great just now. So I'm assuming that, you know, the water going through those puddles washed it away. Anyway, so I took, you know, that vow, that oath, that Florence Nightingale, you know, and I vowed to be there, and I take it seriously. And until I completely turn over, I take this serious, and I'm pretty sure, you know, nursing won't leave my heart because it is deeply. Oh, there's another one. There's another down tree. Oh boy, here we go. All right. Well, I could go around, but as you see, there's another one. Okay. They're all down trees. That's number 2 that I've seen so far. Yeah, I'm not coming this way on the way home because it's already 2 down trees this morning. Pretty sure during the as it progresses, it's going to get a little worse if I'm not mistaken of how everything's going to play out, you know, according to what they say, how everything's going to play out. But that's 2 down trees so far this morning. Interesting how this is going to go. In certain places, water is accumulating pretty good in certain places, but in other places it's pretty clear. But I'm pretty sure that with every situation when we have heavy rainfall, certain places flood and certain places, you know, they handle the water pretty well. Yep. And this area is handling the water. Okay. On that intersection I just passed by. We have really good drainage. Really good grading and how they graded the road, well, the land. There was another down tree, but it was a small one. Looks like it's been cleared. And then as you see, it's a lot of branches there that fell, and I'm assuming either someone cleared them up already before I got to this spot. Yeah. And as you see, the rain is like, sometimes it's heavy and at times it's not. It's pretty good, but it's coming down pretty good at this moment. And I know, you know, some people would say, like my husband said, you know, be careful out there, and he understands that I'm in a situation where I don't have to go to work, and I'm pretty sure that It's not going to be any patients that comes in. Because I don't work in a hospital, but I work in an outpatient center. And but like I told you before, I'm not sure what happened as far as our schedule goes, because I wasn't there yesterday. And truthfully, I didn't even call anyone to find out what was going on. I just figured I'll take my time and, you know, come on in. And taking my time means I'm going to be late. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. We're going to do what we can do. Right, well, I'm going to end this video, and I may pick you guys up again when I am on my way home, depending on what everything is looking like. But I appreciate you guys greatly, and like, comment, and share my video. Just bringing the beginning of the storm, currently in North Carolina, and just wanted to bring the beginning of the storm to you guys. And you guys have a wonderful one. Peace. Be safe out there. Drive safely if you have to come out. But you guys be safe. Peace.